So today we are here with
Monse.
And Alec,
And
Studio
we are-
Ocho Cuartos.
Yes.
nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, earlier as I was passing by and I saw your collection, it really caught my attention. Number one, the color. I love the color,
Thank you.
and just like your the top you're wearing is beautiful as well.
Thank you.
Now, please tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, we are a design studio based in San Diego, California, and we focus on furniture, objects, interiors, and we are a Mexican-American based studio, so we do a lot of, our designs are very inspired by Mexican culture, of course, but also we are from, he was born in the border side of the American side, and I was raised in the other side of the border, so our design and like our philosophy is very much like border inspired as well.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome. Now, tell me a little bit about the collection that you have right now. I'm looking at the chair itself.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
it's beautiful. Like,
Thank you.
everything about it just speaks to me.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about it. Like, what's inspired you to do that?
Oh well, I mean, there's a lot. There's kind of like a whole lot that we reference in Mexican culture in this, in terms of like the ostrich leather is referencing like the cowboy boots that a lot of time in the north that people wear, and then this shape down here too. It kind of represents a lot of the temples, the ancient Mexican temples. We're also just inspired by a lot of Mexican food. Like for example, that's like the nopales, the cactus that people eat. It's like looks just like that when you buy it from the store, you know. So we're really into kind of like inspiration from food and kind of sensual stuff. You know?
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Now, I know for the past 2 years, I know it's been a part of a challenge for everyone. Now, what are the toughest challenge right now for you guys?
Well, it was kind of like a downside and a plus side, I guess. I mean, the downside, it was, I mean, obviously the pandemic, but a lot of material is very expensive. So we kind of had to, like, in a way, kind of work around prices because everything went up. But also, it also gave us a lot of time to work on our pieces. We had a little bit of a pause as well to really, like, you know, like this is all we were doing. So, and we had a 7-month-old daughter now,
Yeah.
so,
Oh, wow.
so she was born
Congratulations.
during
But
COVID.
now
So.
also managing like this stuff with her too. That's been so cool to learn
Yes.
about.
That's
and-
awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, actually, I did have a child as well during COVID.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Oh wow!
Wow,
She-
congratulations.
Thank you. She'll be 2 years old in July.
Wow.
2 years old?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, that's
Our
cool.
daughter is 7 months.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
she's barely like trying to. She wants to crawl so bad. She's like getting up and then, but she can't get going. But she's so awesome.
You know,
Really cool.
the beauty about having a child is the fact that when you look at it, just like with your design, in the very beginning, it's always a challenge. But at the same time, as a parent, you can never tell your child, stop walking, stop crawling.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So same thing, you know, with your design. It's like it takes time, but eventually, when you know,
It takes off.
it takes off, and I could tell right now, you know, everything's looking
Thank you
great,
so
and
much.
you do already inspire me, and as well.
Thank you. Wow, that is so
nice.
nice. Thank you so much
You're
for saying
wel-
those
you're
kind
welcome.
words.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Now, when
I'm Alec.
Hi, I'm Monse, and we are Studio Ocho Cuartos, and
you're
you're
watching
watching
Picture
Picture
TV.
TV.